topic about the presentation of highway engineering prepared by Nissan Bhattrai, Class 10 Civil Roll No. 28, submitted to Postas Katka. A grader machine, also called as motor grader or road grader, is a form of heavy equipment with a long blade used to create a flat surface during grading. Typically, grader have three axles with the string wheels in front, followed by the grading blade or mold board, then a cab and engine atop tandem rear axles. Components of grader. We can see here in figure the components of grader. The main components of grader and its component uses are the mold bar, adjustable bed. The mold bar is used for cutting and labeling material. The engine to provide power for a machine. Main frame for structural support. The cab for the operator, access center for mobility to the grader. This is the control caps of the grader. We can see here the what the grader inside of the grader. Primary control of grader. Primary control of grader are joystick control and lever controls, each managing the machine steering, blade movement and other functions. Joystick typically control articulation, front wheel lane and transmission with thumb buttons. Some models also feature digital display for grader control system and additional buttons for functions like the parking, brake, differential lock. Key components of grader and how they work. This is the blade and circle. The key components of the grader: blade and circle, hydraulic control, frame articulation, blade width. We can see here the digging of land by a grader.
My name is Manjuna Kumari Shah. I am here to present report about the used for creating smooth place in level surface. It is used for the grader mode. Formerly it's known as motor grader or road grader. Between its axle and versatile in represent various sector, particularly civil engineering and works construction. What does its grader use? Grader does leveling and snapping. Its primary function is level and smooth surface creating, which is smooth and it is used for the roads, building, foundation and parking along. Road construction is essential for the preparing the bridge courses of the road on highway, ensuring proper drainage is the smoothing of the surface below paving. Disadvantages of the grader are if the ground is properly graded, water can be pool in certain area where the which can be causes demand to the foundation.
It is made in the 19th century and 20th century with a simple blade and the bagels. Motorized grader began in the 1920 with the company of Central Pillar and Galleon were pillar. हामीले हाईवे प्रोजेक्टमा देखिरहेका हुन्छौं. यो ग्रेडरले चाहिँ सरफेसलाई ग्राउन्ड सरफेसलाई स्मुथ बनाउनको लागि युज गरिन्छ, फ्ल्याट बनाउनको लागि युज गरिन्छ. ग्रेडरको फिगर यहाँ देख्न सकिन्छ. यो ग्रेडरको यो ब्लेडले सरफेसलाई स्मुथ बनाउनको लागि युज गरिन्छ. ग्रेडरको युज भनेको सरफेसलाई स्मुथ बनाउनको लागि युज गरिन्छ र यसको रोडलाई स्लोप बनाउनको लागि युज गरिन्छ. यसले रोडलाई ग्राभल रोड it used to maintain the repair dot or gravel road by reshaping the smooth worn surface. ग्रेडरले चाहिँ रोडमा भएको क्लियर स्नो मड फ्रम रोडलाई सिग्नल चेन्ज गर्न सक्छ. ग्रेडरको एडभान्टेज भनेको चाहिँ यसले सरफेसलाई लेभलिङ र स्मुथ बनाउनको लागि हेल्प गर्छ र यसले युनिफर्म स्लोप बनाउनको लागि पनि हेल्प गर्छ.